Here we go. We are gonna do
science pyramid.
Okay, this is
Wait. Let me count the letters on the back. E-A-R-T-A-S-C-I-E-N-C-E.
very good. Let's open it up. All right.
Yay! I got it. Wow. Cup? Cup? Yeah. Ooh, don't open it yet. Something else? No. Okay.
First,
Glasses.
we're going to build your mold. Good job.
It's not clicking.
Okay, so maybe you ask a parent for help, right?
Yes.
Say, Mommy, I need some help.
Mommy, I need to
Don't say it like that, silly.
move.
Can we do it? Almost. Okay, Ethan, you can move your hand. Oh, Gianna, no.
Yeah, you can't.
Pull the rubber band. Pull it. Okay.
Something wrong.
There we go. Almost. And we got it. Right?
Let's push it down.
There we go.
The volcano.
So next, we're going to pour water in the container,
What?
right? And we have to use the scissors to open the plastic bag. Where's our container? Where's our white container?
Here.
Very good.
Oh.
We need 1 cup of water, right?
Yes.
And then we have to pour in the plaster. So
It's
now
only a little bit.
I'm going to cut this. And do you have your mixing spoon?
Yes.
Okay.
Right here. Can you mix?
I got to pour the plaster in.
It's not lava thing. And we need to do this.
This is the plaster to make the lava mold. Okay? Go ahead. Mix.
This is a lot.
Yeah. Ooh, wow.
We can't see. So we mix it. We can see.
Yeah, they said it's supposed to be like a milkshake.
Yummy.
But this seems really thick.
Can I try?
Yeah, let me give you a little bit more water, okay?
I'm gonna hold that for you. Let me help you. Where are T-Rex?
We're gonna pour it together,
Okay.
okay?
Let me.
Step 3 is to pour the mixture into the mold, but it is a little thick, so a parent will have to help you. Now you can smooth out the mixture with your spatula. We let it sit for 45 minutes, right? So now we're gonna remove the mold. I need someone to flip it over.
Me. I got it.
Okay. Bless you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. And hold on. Now, turn it over.
It's not coming
Okay.
out.
Okay. Let Ethan try, okay?
I'm strong.
Okay. All right, Ethan, you're gonna turn it over. Okay. All right. Let's take off the mold. That's the top right here. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. And we're gonna take off the elastic band, right? Help me.
Wow. It's so wet. It's not gonna come right here because let's put it right here. No, I want to move these crumbs out of the way. Can we
Alright.
put some put in here?
Let's see. Yeah. So you're gonna, one at a time, you're gonna pour all of it into the top, okay?
Which one to do?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Tasha, Lana, Mo.
Okay.
Dia.
Very good. Oh, careful. Okay, hold on. Let's try and get it all in, okay? Let's turn it this way. And then, woo!
It looks like sprinkles.
Okay, and then Mommy is going to drop a couple of drops of soap. Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, that's enough.
And we need water.
We need water? Is that what's next?
Yeah.
And what's going to happen when we pour in the water?
Volcano. I'm gonna move ourselves out the way. I'll get on you.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's hope this works.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
It's lava. Can I decorate it?
Yes, you can decorate it
With what?
with the crayons.
Hey there friends, it's time to go. Join the fun with Ethan and Gianna. We'll laugh and learn, we'll play and sing. Come along and let's do everything. We're giggle and grow, giggle and grow. There's so much to learn and so much to know. Giggle and grow, giggle and grow. With Ethan and Gianna, let's go. Go, 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 go. We'll count the numbers, sing ABCs, explore the world with so much glee. Dance and clap and shout hooray. Every day's a brand new day.
So you guys make a volcano, and you make the lava mixture, and you watch the lava erupt from the volcano, right?
I just